In today's video, we're gonna make a super simple red wine vinaigrette. I'm gonna use the blender to make it super fast and be able to use fresh garlic, but I guess you could finely mince it and shake everything in a jar. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a garlic clove. Now, if you don't have fresh garlic, you could also use garlic powder. I'll make sure to put the amounts to the rest ingredients in the description box for you. So whole like this, I'm gonna place it in my blender. This vinaigrette does have some Dijon mustard, which I'm going to place in my blender. I really like Dijon mustard in my vinaigrettes because it makes them really thick, creamy. It's just that classic rich dressing that we all love. Of course, star of the show is red wine vinegar. I'm gonna add that in there next. Some lemon juice. To counteract the acidity, I'm using a little bit of honey in here, a little bit of salt, and freshly ground pepper. Now, I could put the olive oil in here directly, but I want this to be nice and homogeneous, look really creamy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put the lid on and blend it until smooth. So now with the blender running on low speed, I'm gonna slowly pour in my olive oil through the top. So it's gonna help it get homogenized, really rich, thick, and creamy. Check it out. So all I have to do is pour this dressing into a mason jar or a salad dressing bottle, whichever one you have on hand. It can last for up to a week in the fridge. So when you're ready to use it, you just grab it out of the fridge, give it a good shake, and now it's ready to be poured over your epic salads. So make sure to grab the ingredients right below this video. See you next time.